This is your boy Keith Shebada Ramsay, aka Dibby Shibby, and you're tuning to IrishandChin.com. You know, are the #1 sin thing. I miss it, so I'm sound like Richard Star. Man, I know. I mean, Shebada is like, if you stop me up on the road and I'm being Shebada, or if you catch me at work and I'm being Shebada, you will get tones like, want more, yes, where you want. No, my love, I can't stop and talk to you, no, but they want my business. But Keith will say, like, I am sorry, I can't. You understand me? Maybe next time. You can catch me another time. You understand me? So Shebada is like, I don't care person, but Keith is more like the polite person.
You know what's your opinion?
So you never know say you're your auntie?
You know a 9 of human running down last night?
I lie that to you.
Let's go for Jesus. Why will you run from them? They have to run from me.
Then I saw the young gun bad man, you want more grapefruit and cream soda.
I'll start with my favorite bashment granny one.
So Juki, you have a job for me too?
You know nothing about me, boy. You know who you chat to?
Juki, be here.
You know who you chat to? You have not said this.
Then Shebada come to town.
Where you come from?
Country, sir.
So where are you?
Me dey look for a lady with my two pass money, come take our country and come down the come Obia, sir.
Wow.
One woman my two pass money, you come take our country and come down the come Obia.
So what you want then?
She named Beverly, sir.
Like father, like son.
You know, respect so that is much.
You not hear what you say, so I'm going to beg you shout for yourself.
$500 more.
You mean to say that all the work I put into this is $500 you give me? $500!
The driver.
Young man, bring those bags in for me and hurry up.
Alright, yeah, tell. Outside and bright. Welcome to the Pegasus Hotel. Talk to me now. I want me to make you with the man pissing now. I want to block you on that. I want to talk loud on the summer vulgar. Look what the man do.
Bashment Granny 2, Serious Business. And I mean, I honestly, I can't remember the rest. Trust me, because it is so much in such a short time. I mean, the call was very high, the stake was high. I pay my family member, do my business, because sometimes what we don't understand is that family can distract you from your goal. You understand me? We have to understand that if you're going about it, you need to have a positive thinking. You need to say, I'm going to do this for myself, not for my mother, brothers, or sisters. You understand me? Because sometimes families can say to you a simple word. You understand me? Can say, I don't think that I could pay you. I don't think that is your line of duty. I don't think that will get you anywhere. How far will that get you? You don't want to hear words like those. You want to hear, go for it. So sometimes if you know your family background, if you know what your family is capable of, and the words that they will come at you with, it's best you do your thing, and then if they want to support you afterwards, then they will support you. You understand me?
Me not tell a lie. Remember the grade 1 book was say, I am a boy. I am big. See my dog here. Jesus. No man, 2,500 my friend. There's something right in the world. So nobody no trouble when you're young. 2,500.
I mean, Franklinton, I must say, is the melting pot towards my character. It is a ghetto community where every day you get up, you have to fight. I mean, you fight physically, verbally, mentally. You just have to fight. You understand me? And I think Franklinton is my strength. Is one of my strengths, where it has caused my character to be so perfect, because every day you have to stay to defense. You understand me? Franklinton does not give leadway for comfort, and I must give praises to Franklinton. The fans' reaction is crazy going about my daily duties. it is crazy. I mean, some persons I can stop and smile and take a pic with, but other times you just have to go about your business and do your business, which persons just keep saying that, hey, I want a pic, could you get out your vehicle please and come and take a pic with me? I'm like, who does that? You understand me? That is crazy. So they were like, Shebada IP, look at me, I beg your picture. But the audience, the fans have to understand that you are not on stage, you're not doing your job now, you're taking care of your personal business, and there's a time and place for everything. You understand? But it won't get any better than that. And as actors, as artists, we cannot get frustrated because we have to understand those are the only time these persons will see us. So if we can make time, we make time, and if we can't, we just be polite and say, I am sorry. My first experience traveling overseas, it was like traveling to Cayman. That's my first time going on a plane, which Cayman is basically like Jamaica, so it wasn't any surprise to me, but the audience was very receptive, and you know, I really enjoyed that. Now my second trip was to England shortly after Cayman, and I was like, oh my God, it was an experience for me. I would love for everybody to experience that. It was like totally crazy because I'm saying, going somewhere, I don't think anyone knows me, so I'm going to say, all right then, I'm free. But when I reached there, persons was like, Shebada, more see. I know it was like crazy. These are the stuff that I saw on TV. So I'm saying, okay then, I can't believe it's happening to me. So it was a feeling that would take me out of my skin completely. Maybe next time. I mean, I have never done drama. Wait, let me correct myself. I've never done drama in school, like for a year, or it was not one of my skill areas. But persons always say to me that, you know, you're funny, you can act, and I never understand fully. You understand me? Because you know, you just go in and you say you're gonna make people smile, and every day people laugh and people gravitate to you because of your personality, which I didn't understand. Afterwards, I do.
The blind, the deaf, and them. Me a come up before me cripple.
Wait, how we must face it? How we are blind deaf and dumb? How we are talking boy? How we are talking? How we are talking? After all.
I mean, I am open now. It's not that I am seeing myself writing in a place or like uptown theatre, as we call it in Jamaica, or roots theatre. I just see myself writing for characters of work.
I don't really have one bird, you may not look good. You know, the woman I get mad when they kill her the pet.
Why you not arrest her? She went kill her son, you don't know one day.
And that's not a problem. When you start making like money, I don't marry too quick or wait too long, that's she gonna know.
Which category mean? Too quick or too old?
All of the above.
I mean, theatre locally is a very hypocritical, as I said before, and I can proudly stand and say that because I've been criticized, I've been chastised by characters in theatre and persons who we from a tender age see them and say, oh my God, I want to be like that person, I want to act with that person. When you finally get the chance to work with them, you see that their attitude is a complete turn off. And I'm saying that being in theatre now, I am willing to make a change. I will not take that stand to say that I am going to be like them. I will take the stand to say I'm going to be unlike them. You understand? I'm going to make a change. I am going to make a difference in theatre for persons who are coming up, because this is what we need to do. If we set a trend to say that, hey, I'm going to be different, I'm going to care about characters, I'm going to care about aspiring actors, then theatre can grow locally. Yes, I think TV definitely we need a Jamaican sitcom, which is hot, which is very hot, and which is very roots. I mean, not too foreign, not too English, and of that sort. We need a sitcom that is so roots, that tells of our culture and stuff like that. Yes, I'm taking on other roles in theatre, which I've started writing, and I'm directing now. You understand me? So it's kind of cool directing, though. I kind of like it because I get to see things from a different point of view, a different standpoint. Yeah.
You man tell me say he's a criminal?
He is not a criminal. He is a businessman from New York.
Oh, you mean, my friend, defend your body because I long time I was free. You, look here. Hey, girl. The only merchandise your man is securing is the one in your warehouse.
This is my merchandise. And I will not be coming to you for any stock taking.
Like how you're smart still, right? You couldn't man to come to me. After me, don't play cobweb room. You see me I walk a clean old house.
I know say you take a joke too far now. You seriously take a joke too far. It's like you forget some my name is Baba Lita Goodall.
And it never ring the bell.
And under no circumstances do I bow.
I never say nothing about bowing. So if you plan to take your mouth on vacuum, sorry, me not car bed.